Meet the VG10, the flexible, adjustable electrical vacuum gripper. The gripper features a built-in electric vacuum. Since it doesn't require external air supply, the VG10 is compact and easy to move around, giving you a more flexible production line. The VG10 comes with dual grip functionality and can lift up to 10 kilograms. It can handle 2 products simultaneously with a flexible adjustment of suction cup arms. The 2 vacuum channels can be controlled independently, increasing efficiency on your production line. The VG10 suction cups can be reconfigured to fit your individual needs. The gripper comes with a variety of typical suction cups, but can also be used with third-party suction cups. Designed for collaborative robot applications, the VG10 is a plug-and-produce solution that works straight out of the box and onto your production line in less than 30 minutes.